Welcome back, everybody. This is my $200 ice plunge setup. It's just a 7 cubic foot freezer, and I put water in there along with a cold plunge liner, and these are blocks of ice floating. I don't know if you can see it from there. Oh, it's still not melted. Let me try to break that up. Not sure if I'm getting audio with this, but cold. Alright, my brother's here to man the camera and to kind of supervise my cold plunge for safety. And let's see how it works out. Hi, bro. Can you? I don't know. It's probably broken. Can you hold the camera for me? All right. So. Still ice in it. Can't get in because there's ice. It's too much ice. Yeah, the whole bottom is still caked up. Alright, we'll try again tomorrow.